Hi, Easter is just around the corner. This bunny cupcake stand design will bring much joy to your party. The download link is in the description. There are 3 SVG files for Cricut and 3 Studio3 files for Cameo. The first one we need is the cake stand base file. Upload it to Design Space. This is not a challenging project, but due to the size of the finished product, there are many elements to be cut. I divided all elements into 3 files. This way I found it's easier. It is suggested to clean the blade before and in between cutting. Here are all the elements for the base. The biggest piece is the cover for the base. There are 8 2-inch holes. They are for mini cupcakes. We have 4 sets of same elements to make 4 of 1/4 boxes. The white color here indicates these elements won't be seen when finished. I use heavyweight white cardstock in this video. I suggest use heavyweight cardstock for the base. This is side panel for the quarter box. This is decorative panel for the side of the box. 8 flowers here will match the 8 circles for the cupcakes. Everything is attached. All need to be done is click Make It and send to cut. Here are all the cutouts for the base. 4 pieces for the box. 4 quarter circles for the bottom of the boxes. 8 flowers. 4 decorative panels. And 4 pieces of side panels. We will make 4 quarter boxes to assemble 1 full circle base. I designed this way to give it more support for the middle of the base. The biggest piece in this file is the cover for the base. When we assemble the full circle, we will glue this piece on the top, then put flowers on the top like this. Now it is time to put the base together. These are the 3 pieces we need to assemble the 1/4 box. Use a pen to curl the side panel. Fold the glue tabs on both sides. Grab this piece, fold along the folding lines. Flip it over and fold. Secure the glue tab here. Next, we will glue the side panels along the curved lines here. Take time to align the 2 pieces. Flip it over. It is easier to see if they align well. Adjust here a bit. Apply glue and attach the quarter circle piece. Give it a gentle press and check the sides align well. Press the glue tabs from inside of the box and adjust if necessary. This is the first base box. Repeat and make the other 3 boxes. Now we have done all 4 of them. What we're gonna do next is we'll glue them together, make it a full circle. And we will put this piece right on the top to align all the circle. And flowers go over the cupcake holes. If you look at the piece, there's a circle mark around it. That's later on for the middle layer gonna to align here. After we put on the flowers, some of the mark might be covered, but we are still able to see it. Apply glue on one straight side of the box, attach it to the other box. Align together and hold firmly together. Glue them together as tight as possible. Use fingers to press from inside of the boxes to secure. At the same time, be careful not to damage the boxes. Glue these two boxes to make a half circle. Attach two semicircles together. Align properly and hold together firmly. Apply glue all over the top, especially the edge and around each circle. Attach the cover on top. Smooth it to ensure it is flat. Next, we will attach the decorative panels on the side. The decorative panels will go around the base like this. At the end of the panel, there is a mark. This is a glue mark to connect to the next panel. There will be extra for the last one. I will show you how to adjust to suit your base later. Put glue all over and attach to the base. Continue the second and the third pieces. This is the last panel. It will overlap with the others. What I'm gonna do is to cut off the glue tabs here, overlap two circles here and cover the glue tab the other end. I make each panel a bit longer to ensure to have enough to cover the whole circle. More we could always trim it off, but not much could be done if it's too short. Spend time here to assess how you like to overlap and glue. Match the flowers to each cupcake circle. Now the base is done. We can still see cut mark, the circle cut mark for the legs there. Some of them has been covered, but we're still able to see some of them. So later on when we finish the second layer, we will stick on line those marks. The next file we need is the top two layers file. Upload it to Design Space. They are the elements for the top two layers. On the right hand side here, they are the elements for the middle layer. On the left hand are elements for the top tier. Two white circles are the bottom for each tier and will not be seen. You could change it to the same color as others or stay white. In this video, I keep it white. Click Make It to cut. Here are all the cutouts for the top two layers. We need to separate them because there are two layers here. So we have the three cutouts for the rabbit and three smaller circles. And one side panel with the circle mark, that's for the top layer. Two green grasses there. So all these pieces are for the top layers. And for the middle layers, we have three layers of Easter wording, two bigger circles, and two side panels. You can see they are the one with triangle marks. And here, the white color one, they will be the base, so we can't really see them, so it doesn't really matter. And the two small circles, you can see they are folding line in the middle. We are going to fold it. So what we're going to do is we are going to assemble those two with foam tab first. The bunny and the Easter are done. Pull them aside. To assemble the middle layer, we have these two circles. There is a circle mark here. This is for position the top layer. This is the base. It won't be seen, so I use white cardstock. Folding lines on both sides. There is a marked line at the end. It is the glue mark for the overlapping. We don't fold here. Use a pen to curl both panels. Glue the panels together. Fold the glue tabs. Glue the two ends together to make it a loop. Attach the loop to the base. Check the edge align properly. Turn to the side to align and adjust. Glue the top on. Move on to the top tier. 3 small circles and 1 side panel. The one with the dot mark is the side panel for the top tier. Use a pen to curl the side panel. Fold the glue tabs. There is a glue mark at the short end. It is not for folding. Glue the two ends to enclose the side panel. Attach the side with the bottom circle. Take time to check the edge align properly. Fold the two circles in the middle. Glue them together like this. Attach them together. Turn to the side and check the edge align properly. The top tier is down now. It should look like this. Next, we will wrap the 2 layers of grass around the top. Apply glue and attach. Same as the shoulder grass. We have done the top 2 layers. We can see the circle mark here to position the top tier. Apply glue and attach them. Give it a gentle press to secure. Next step is to attach the bunny and the Easter wording to the top 2 tiers. Position where you would like. You could use glue or foam dots to attach them. Here I will use foam dots to assemble. Easter in the middle tier and the bunny on the top. Make sure they are in the center and not tilted. Now the exciting part, to stack all 3 tiers together. See the circle mark? Apply glue at the bottom and position it in the mark. The last file we need is the flowers SVG. Up below is to design space. We have 3 layers to make 1 flowers. Total make 8 flowers. All we need to do is to send to cut. 8 flowers in 3 different colors, total 24 cutouts. Use a pen to curl each petal. To make a flower, grab different color pieces and stack together. Don't align the flowers. Kind of make them crisscross. This way the flower doesn't look too flat. Play around how you like the flowers to look. Dab glue in the middle and glue all 3 layers together. All the flowers are done. I have these gems handy, so I'll put them in the middle to make them fancy. Doesn't they look gorgeous? We'll glue them on the side of the second tier. We have made this stunning Easter Bunny cupcake stand. The project is designed to hold 8 mini cupcakes. I am in isolation at the moment, therefore I'm unable to obtain any cupcakes from the shop. Here I use Kinder eggs and mini muffins to demonstrate. Hope you enjoyed the design. Thank you for watching.